Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we're gonna show you a comparison of the Thule Apex XT Swing 4 versus the Yakima Full Swing. Here we have the Thule Apex Swing 4. It fits in a 2-inch receiver. It holds 4 bikes with a load capacity of 150 pounds. It weighs 42 pounds. To install, we're going to go ahead and fit it into the 2-inch receiver. And we have this locking pin, which we just screwed it in and just lock it into place. So you want to turn this knob to eliminate the play. Go ahead and turn it as tight as you can. There you go. We have the, I think they call it the snug tight stinger. Okay? Once that is tight, you get the key and you're gonna go ahead and lock it. And what that does, it just rotates so no one can steal your bike rack. Nice and tight. Now we want to go ahead and raise the arms so we can put the bikes on. You want to go ahead and unlock and lift. So the bikes are secured during transport with a fixed 7-inch of spacing in between. It has a nice design of an integrated anti-sway to prevent bike contact during transport. To load the bikes, you want to put the biggest and the heaviest bike first. Next, you want to secure the bike to the bike rack with this ratcheting cable strap. First, you're going to go ahead and insert it. And then just strap it down. You're gonna go ahead and feed the strap through here, out the other end, and then just pull it and tighten it. Once you got it tightened, you're gonna go ahead and feed the strap through there. Repeat that step on the second one, and then on the cradle strap, the anti-sway. When you use these ratcheting cable strap, you just want to slide it through. And they do lock into place. I just prefer not to, as I like the clean look when it's not installed. But to lock it in, it just snaps into place. Just like that. And then you strap your bike in. Here's a close-up of how the straps work. This is a woman's bike, so I did get this bike adapter. All right, now you're gonna go ahead and load the second bike. You wanna switch direction of the bikes. So we're gonna go ahead and go this way. Go ahead and show you the spacing in between bikes. It's about 7 inches to prevent contact, which I think does a fairly good job. I mean, here's the handlebar. So the first one's the biggest and heaviest. That's the women's bike. The next one is a men's bike. And now I'm gonna go ahead and load up a youth bike. Again, we're gonna go ahead and switch directions. For the youth bike, I did get another bike adapter, handle adapter. And the last fourth bike is the kids bike, which really doesn't fit. You're gonna have to find a way to lock the kids bike into place. It's just too small. I find this way the best, just because the straps don't fit here, doesn't reach, but I can lock it using the sway bar, the anti-sway strap. That's the best I can do to secure it. It's pretty secure. I mean, probably have to find a way to secure this end. All right, as you can see, it does hold 4 bikes. Now to gain access to your trunk or your rear hatch, you want to go ahead and unscrew this. And then go ahead and pick this up and push out. Okay. And then this thing pivots out that way so that you don't hit the side of the car. So it is locked into place. To swing it back, you want to press down on this and then swing it back towards you. Here you have the integrated bike lock so that no one borrows your bike permanently. Comes out all the way to the front and you lock it from the top. Right up there. I do wish this here was made of metal. Right now it's just plastic. Here we have the Yakima full swing. Holds up to 4 bikes with a weight capacity of 150 pounds. It does weigh 56 pounds, which is 14 pounds heavier than the Thule Apex XT. It does fit a 2-inch receiver. We're gonna go ahead and put it onto the receiver. If you can see here, it does have a different kind of locking pin. This is the button here you push, the pin goes in and locks the bike rack into your hitch. Now it has the same thing as the Thule. It has the knob. They call this the locking speed knob. It also removes the sway. So the knob is pretty close to this plastic thing, which gives me trouble turning it. Right? There we go, nice and snug. And then to lock it, go ahead and put the key in, and now it turns and no one can take it. To load your bikes, you want to lift up the arms. To lift up the arms, you want to pull this lever up and just lock it into place. These are nice padded rubber to protect your bike. What's good about this versus the Thule, these are actually adjustable where you mount your bikes. Whereas the Thule is a fixed position of 7 inches apart. These also come with integrated anti-sway to prevent bike-to-bike contact. So the anti-sway are adjustable and you can lock them into place. To lock them, there's a lever in the bottom and that's it. Unlock, pull it down, opposite direction. Same thing with the other end. Now to load the bikes, you want to do the heaviest bike first. Just like that. Here we have the women's bike. Lock the bikes to the bike rack with these zip straps. I find it easier than the Thule versions. Alright, all you have to do is to feed it through and pull down. Tighten by pulling down on the bottom. That's it. Now we're gonna do this with the sway, anti-sway. The next bike we have is the men's bike. We wanna adjust the mounting points. And you wanna flip the bike around, alternate positions. Now here's the distance to prevent bike-to-bike contact. Now we're gonna go ahead and put up the youth bicycle. And again, you want to go the other direction with the bike. Now we have the kids' bike. With this one, because this is a lot bigger, I have no way to really attach this bike. Now it does have bike-to-bike contact. So here was my solution in order for me to make this work. I went ahead and used the anti-sway, swing it down, and use that to clamp on the bike. It's only one strap that's holding onto the bike. And here we have the nice integrated bike lock. You feed through the side. And lock into place. However, it does defeat the purpose of locking this bike. All right, to gain access to your trunk or your rear cargo, we're gonna use this lever style knob. Go ahead and unlock it. Pull this up to release and push out. Well, it's kind of hard to do with one hand. So we're gonna go ahead and pull that red knob and then push the bike out. So here it is. We're gonna go ahead and continue pushing it all the way out. Now I do like this locking pin versus the Thule one. This you just have to push down. You can even push down with your feet to unlock and then pull it back into place. Unlock and then push the bike. Once in position, go ahead and lock it in. So there you have it, the Thule Apex XT Swing versus the Yakima Full Swing. Let me know in the comments below which one you prefer, the Thule or the Yakima. I hope this video helps you make an informative decision on which one to get, which works best for you. And again, if you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till next time.